11 books from the personal collection are back from CGC. Let's find out how many 9.8's the Magic Man got me. Stay tuned. What's up, fam? My name is Joseph, and I want to welcome you to another one of Wolverine Comic Shop's unboxings. I hope everyone out there is having a good day. Fam, 11 more books from the personal collection. This time went off to Anthony at magicpressing.com, Magic Pressing on Instagram. 11 books from the personal collection sent off for pressing, cleaning, and they are back. Super excited to be able to share this with you. Guys, if you're not doing so already, go ahead, like, subscribe, turn on notifications. Tell a friend to tell a friend what you saw here today, and go check out my last unboxing, which was another 12 books from the personal collection. You know, without further ado, we're just going to jump right into this. These are the last books from the personal collection. A lot of books that I personally bought in the 90s, you know, just going to the local LCS. So, man. Can't believe it. All right, here we go. First book up. Thank you. Magic Pressing, Anthony on Instagram, magicpressing.com. And there you have the first book up. Oh, man, breathe that in. That is so cool. All right, so what we have here is an American Entertainment Encore Edition, Witchblade #2 in the Sunburst cover. Oh my goodness gracious. First 9.8, here we go. CGC 9.8, Witchblade #2 in the special edition Sunburst cover. All right. Which leads me to my next book. Super cool book. Shout out to V Comics on Instagram. Another 90s collector. Valiant for the win. Here's a Exo Manowar and Iron Man. I'll let you breathe that in. So what we have here is an Iron Man and Exo Manowar in heavy metal, the final cut #1, CGC 9.8, 1996. Man, look at that. That is that's sick. Yeah. All right. Well, this next book up. So I've had this book for a very long time, just like all these books. Those was 1997, 1996. I didn't even realize that this book was in fact a newsstand. And the fact that it's a newsstand, the cover, and what it is just absolutely magnificent. Feast your eyes on, I think, only the second or third CGC 9.8. What the hell is that? I can't believe it. All right, hold on a second, guys. All right, so this is a Prime Infinity NN Malibu Comics with the dope ass. It's just so awesome. So there's the newsstand, Spider-Man on the back. So this is, yeah, Prime Infinity NN. This is 1995 newsstand Malibu Comics 9.8, CGC 9.8. Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. That's amazing. Yo, shout out again to Magic Pressing, Anthony over at Magic Pressing, coming through. So far, we just started this submission. Again, guys, 11 books from the personal collection. And let's just keep it moving. Let's just keep it moving. Holy cow. Here's another Witchblade. Collected a lot of Witchblade back in the day. This one actually came in the mail. Witchblade number 14, CGC 9.8 gold foil edition, and I do have the COA right here to boast. Man, look at that. I cannot believe how well I took care of this. The reason why I decided to get this one, this is a Michael Turner gold foil edition cover, which is why I opted to get it graded, man. Wow. Awesome. Really awesome. All right. Leads me to my next book. Guys, if you've been watching for a long time, you know that almost no unboxing would not be complete without some type of Wizard magazine. Some type of Wizard. So here we go. Avengers #1, Marvel Wizard publication, 1999, and the first non-9.8 in the bunch. We got a CGC 9.4 white pages Avengers #4. Wow, this is the Ultron Unlimited Prelude. I got this in my actual subscription. I've had it in my collection since 1999, and man, that is freaking awesome. Have a look at that. Wow. Again, shout out to Magic Pressing. All right, let's go. Let's get ourselves another book. Let's keep this going. Oh, what a great book. What a great book. Oh, yeah. You know what it is. It's an X-Men #11 Jim Lee cover in a CGC 9.8. Man, what an awesome book. Again, an LCS pickup. This is an LCS pickup from 1992. Man, can't believe it. Sick cover, classic cover, classic cover. Very classic. All right, man. Let's keep it going. Oh man, this is a great book. I've had this book for a very long time. Shout out to Rob Liefeld. Shout out to Rob Liefeld. Get you some Agent, what is it? Agent American. I forgot the name for a second. Agent American Preview NN by Awesome Publications, CGC 9.8. Rob Liefeld's rendition of Captain America. Oh man, this is, yeah. I assume this has got to be the first appearance, even though they don't call it a first appearance. And again, another 9.8. So we got only one 9.4 out of all the 9.8 so far. How many books? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 books. 7 9.8. Shout out to Magic Pressing. And you know what? Count that bag. Here's another one. Here we have another CGC 9.8 Marvel Preview Special Dark Reign Edition NN Free Comic Book Day Dark Avengers #1 preview. This is obviously they say that, you know, first appearances don't count in previews, but this is the first appearance of the Dark Avengers. Here it is, the Dark Avengers. Bang. Bang, switch you out. Nice. Okay. You know, I always wondered, always thought to myself, by the way, guys, like, subscribe, turn on notifications, tell a friend, follow me on eBay, Instagram, whatnot, TikTok, Shortbox, and Twitter. I always wondered to myself, whatever happened to X-Men 96? Like, nobody wants to talk about that? Nobody wants to talk about what happened in X-Men 96? What we have here for you is X-Men 96 NN. Got the theme going here. Lots of NNs today in the wraparound cover. CGC 9.4. Knew that this one was not going to be coming back, or any chance of it not coming back, a 9.8. So there you go, the second one of the bunch, but nonetheless a really nice book. One that I can't find, X-Men 96. Go check that out. What's the story behind that? They just decided to skip a whole year for us. Alright, I digress. Okay. Here we go. I couldn't believe it. Like, I couldn't believe it. I know where I bought this too. I know where I bought this. It's like a couple years after it came, not a couple years, but like a year or 2 years after it came out. I bought it. I like books. It was either Books A Million. Yeah, it was Books A Million in Long Island. In a newsstand. Hello. What? DC versus Marvel #1 CGC 9.8 in a newsstand. Oh my god. By the way, I bought all four of them. #2 was not a newsstand. Back then, I didn't know what the hell I was looking at. What year was this? 1996, 13, 14, 15. I was like maybe like 15, 16 years old. So I had #2, and I had that signed by Joe Rubenstein. I've unboxed that for you guys before. And I sent it off to CBCS. And this was the corresponding DC versus Marvel Comics #1 in a newsstand, man. Holy cow. Man, Jesus Christ. That is just awesome. I mean, I think there's like 4,000 or 5,000 copies of this online, but I don't know how many. That is awesome. And that might be staying in the PC. Jesus. All right. And this leads me to the last book. eBay, Shortbox, whatnot, TikTok, Twitter, all the books behind me you see for sale are for sale. I appreciate you guys being here. I appreciate you guys watching. Without you, there is no Wolverine's Comic Shop. And here is a non-superhero comic book. Hell yeah. I've had this book for frickin' ever. Oh my god. I bought it from the local, it wasn't a comic shop. It was like a sports card shop. And they had this there. It is, I'll tell you what it is. Hold on a second. It is a Shaquille O'Neal #1 Personality Comics 1993 04124, printed on the insert, limited edition, signed and numbered, insert inside. So this is like Shaquille O'Neal's like #1 comic. I think that, What year is it? 1993? Is that his rookie year, or was his rookie year 1992? I don't know. I thought it was just super, super, super cool, and I've always had it. I always kept it. And I just decided to get it, you know, CGC. So, again, guys, shout out to Anthony at magicpressing.com. Magic Pressing on Instagram. Go ahead and like, subscribe, turn on notifications, tell a friend to tell a friend. Again, eBay, Instagram, Shortbox, whatnot, TikTok, Twitter. I mean, it pains me, but all of these books from the personal collection are for sale. They're all going to be available. So if you see something you like, reach out to me, let me know. And again, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. And we will catch you at the very next Wolverine Comic Shops Unboxings. Thanks so much, fam. Peace. Can't believe it. It's amazing.
Let's go, bub.